Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I go by 6Speed. Man, let's get straight to it. Right here is my 2015 Mustang GT with the performance package. And before we do a few hard pulls and accelerations, I'm gonna do a quick walk around of everything that I have done to the car. I got Cook's long tube headers catted, 1 7/8. I got an air ray intake, and I also have a Lund racing tune. I also have Flowmaster Outlaws axle backs, 6-speed manual transmission. I believe that this is one of the best exhaust setups that you can buy for an S550 Mustang GT. So without doing too much talking, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I mean when I say that. Let's get to it. We got sport mode activated. I'm gonna change the gauge color to blue. My seatbelt on. Let's get it. Hey, videos don't do this exhaust setup any justice, man. This thing sound insane. This thing sound crazy. Listen to them downshifts though. Hey, I got no other way to describe this, but my ears hurt right now, man. This is crazy. I can't believe this exhaust sound is good, man. This is like, I have no words. I have no words, man. Every gear sounds good, every gear. The downshifts are downshifts are brutal. I'm gonna try to red. Hey look, I'm gonna try to red line every shift. Man, people getting out the way for this. This is insane, man. I have no words. This car will wake the dead, man. There's no other way to describe it. Like, just listen to these downshifts. This is crazy, man. Just crazy, man, just insane. I have no other words. Let me end this video right here. If you like today's video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And we are very close to 1,000 subscribers, so please hit that subscribe button if this is your first time stopping by. Man, when I tell you this exhaust setup is just beyond anything I ever heard in my life. Like, man, this thing will wake the dead. Just know that. It's crazy, man. I don't even know what to say. It's so loud, man. It's crazy. It's just crazy. But hey, let me get out of here, man, before I get in some serious trouble with this thing, man. Like always, smash that thumbs up button, smash that subscribe button. Please help the channel grow. And just like that, I'll see you next video. Love you guys. Peace.